What's up viewers, Eric from VSonic. Today I'm going to be introducing a new product that we're going to be coming out with pretty soon. It's a phone mirroring system for Tesla vehicles. So for this kit, the image that you see that's being mirrored is actually inside the camera window. All you need to do to pull out the backup camera is use this menu item on the bottom, press that, and there's a camera function. Press that and that's your backup camera. And to switch the backup camera image to your phone image, you press and hold the menu button on the steering wheel control, and it'll switch over to your phone. The sound is actually going through the Bluetooth and coming out of the speaker. No sound is actually going through the smartphone mirroring device. So the Bluetooth needs to continue to be connected. Another cool thing about this is if you want to use a different map application instead of using the Tesla map, you can also do so. For example, have Waze loaded up. Just like that. And because we are still getting the sound from the Bluetooth, the turn-by-turn voice direction will also be audible from your car screen. And if you want to listen to music on the background while your Waze is going, you can do so by turning on an app like such as Pandora. And if you open up an application like Netflix, it takes your phone into the AirPlay mode. So if you look at your phone like this, you can actually lock it, turn off the screen, and the video will continue to play. You can also mirror your phone while the vehicle is in motion. So if your passengers wants to watch a movie or so forth, you can go ahead and do that. Obviously, it's not for the driver. Alright, so as you can see here, we're mirroring our Samsung S9 Plus. And because the Samsung S9 Plus phone is longer than usual, we went ahead and changed the aspect ratio to match the screen's output. And you can do so by a little icon symbol here under Smart View, which will pop out once you start to mirror your phone. And we're also using a wireless device for this Samsung. Unlike the iPhone, we did a wire solution. For the Android, you can do either or. Use the USB Type-C to HDMI adapter, or you can use a wireless device like the Screen Beam Mini 2 that we recommend, which we will also leave the information below. Let me show you some map. Once again, say that I want to go to Disneyland.
I want to talk about what you did the other day and why you did it.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and go on a test drive just to show you how everything works while the vehicle is still driving. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel below, as we will be coming out with installation videos on how to install this smartphone mirroring device to all the Tesla vehicles. And if you have any questions, email us at info@vsonicUSA.com. Thank you.